You got what you deserve, miss. Now Keikos is going to try to horn in on Turk. Here we go. Look, she's trying. Turk is having a good old time. Now, Keikos is going to come to her side, but she doesn't want to be there. She wants what Turk has, right? Right? You want what Turk has. Turk is having a good old time. Look at her. She's trying to get in there. She's trying to get it. Oh, see? She pecks Turk on the back. Turk's going to give it to her. She's going to fall off again. Look at her. Look at her. Turk's being a good girl, playing. And look at, she's pissed off at Keikos. That's her toy, her perch. Enough of this happy horse shit. What are you, kissing now? You're a bitch, Keikos. You're nasty. Get her, Turk. Get her, get her, get her. Get her, Turk. Get her. Get her, Turk. Get her. What are you doing, Keikos? You crazy woman? Oh, now look, she got what she wanted now. She wanted Turk's spot. Oh, fight's gonna ensue. Here we go. Bitch fight. Get her, Turk. That's your spot. Get her. Get her. Come on, Turk. Give her what she deserves. Get her, get her. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on, Turk. Is that it?